screen. 18:9 IPS display is great for the price. Very sharp with FHD plus resolution. The Honor 9 Lite's screen has a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2160. With a display measuring 5.65 inches, the resulting images are sharp, with a pixel density of 428 pixels per inch. That's better clarity than some flagships, such as the iPhone 8, 8 Plus and OnePlus 5T. The screen is an IPS panel that offers great viewing angles and good brightness levels, making it usable in bright conditions. The colors are a bit on the cool side, sporting an ever so slight blue hue, but Huawei offers a range of white balance options in the settings, so you can tune the screen to your own preference. Night mode is also available for some added eye protection, and you can drop the screen's processed resolution to 720p. Making the screen look less sharp may sound counterintuitive, but it puts less strain on both the battery and the chipset. In terms of sheer quality, the Honor 9 Lite won't have the punching depth of the OLED screen on the Samsung Galaxy A5, but with virtually no OLED screens currently available on phones of this price, this screen choice is easily justified. And what Honor does deliver is class-leading for the price. An 18:9 screen, perfectly suited to enjoying websites and watching widescreen content. This aspect ratio also keeps the bezels on the slim side, and puts the screen on your content center stage.